In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set time limits for Claude AI using the Claude desktop app. This is a really useful feature if you want to stay focused, reduce distractions, or simply control when Claude is available during your day. Whether you're using Claude for work, study, or creative tasks, setting quiet hours can help you build a better routine and manage your time more intentionally. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your name or your profile icon there. Click on it to open your account and settings menu. This is where Claude keeps a lot of the personal options, including focus and time controls. After that, look at the left sidebar and click on Time and Focus. This section is designed to help you manage how and when you use Claude. So it's the place where you'll find scheduling options like quiet hours. Once you're inside that menu, scroll until you see the quiet hours section. Under quiet hours, you'll see the days of the week listed out. Click on the day you want to set a time limit for. This lets you customize your schedule day by day, which is great if your weekdays and weekends are different. For example, you might want stricter limits during workdays and more flexibility on weekends. Now, choose the time range for the limit. Set the start time for when you want quiet hours to begin, and then set the end time for when you want Claude to become available again. In other words, choose from when to when the time limit should apply. This step is what actually creates your custom schedule, so take a moment to make sure the times are correct. If needed, repeat the process for any other days you want to control. You can set different quiet hour windows depending on your routine, and that makes it much easier to stay consistent. Once your schedule is set, Claude will follow those time limits automatically, and that's it. You've now learned how to set time limits for Claude AI in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what AI tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.